Many microphones and attempts have we made to narrate this video in the last, say, 36 hours?
Nightmare. Yeah, I mean, I don't know about you, but Windows 10 is garbage. It really is difficult to set up mics.
Windows 10
I mean,
is garbage.
Studio mics up quicker than this garbage.
Anyway, sorry, we're making men's soap today. Tiger's Eye stone soap with real Tiger's Eye stones that are actually beads. So when you buy a bar, you can make a what? Immunity idol.
Yeah, if you buy one, you can make a little necklace. If you buy the loaf, you can make a big necklace. But these tiger's eyes are really nice.
Please, please, for the love of God, make this microphone be working this time.
Yeah, it's just been a nightmare. Anyway, I was going to say that. Yes, so it's Men's Day today with this soap. It's Liberty Men's Day.
Yes, I promise not to neglect the men anymore. So here's a man's soap.
And it's that good.
Whizzy, whizzy, let's get busy.
Whizzy, whizzy, let's get busy. It's that good, it smells like the most expensive cologne on the planet.
It's called The Perfect Man, that fragrance.
Right. And you will shift a crowd. You'll be able to walk through a crowd.
Shift a crowd, everybody won't.
You get served quicker because they'll go, oh my God.
Oh, Lord, he stinks. No, 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 no. It smells really good.
It's got a lovely, strong fragrance.
I've always used black tie fragrance oil for men, but this one has... like, it smells, I don't know, a lot stronger. We'll just say that. You can really smell it. It's nice.
Yes, it's absolutely superb.
By the way, these are entertainment-only videos. They're not educational videos if you want to make soap safely. Go check out Royalty Soap. She has a little series about how to make soap. There's my fragrance oil, Perfect Man. It's expensive, that one, but it's worth it. Yeah. There's my colors. So we're using copper, gold, browns, activated charcoal for the black. Did I miss one? Copper, gold, brown, activated charcoal for the black. Yeah, there we go. Copper, brown, gold, activated charcoal. And this soap gets a little thick on me.
It goes in really well, and it's about to get a special bit of treatment in a minute.
A special bit of treatment. Panic mode trying to fix it treatment. And I'm practicing my one pot wonder here because I just found out that that was actually a technique.
Yeah, it works superbly, doesn't it?
Pretty cool design it makes. But yeah, in hindsight, I wish I used more mica because the colors come out a little muted. Not saturated enough for my liking.
Yeah. Well, I mean, they do react sometimes.
Bionic Woman coming up.
Reconsist. Yes, Bionic Woman. You ready for it?
Here we go. Ooh, look at that. I had that Barbie when I was a kid.
Yeah, there's another one as well, one little Wonder Woman.
Was that the 70s? It had to be the 70s.
Linda
yes.
Carter.
The 70s were the best decade that I recall to date. As far as living was pretty simple.
You didn't have a lot, but you got what you needed.
Not saying bad things didn't happen, but life was more simple.
It was more simple, and you know, we had Alison days of remembering all the things we did when we were younger. We
went outside, we built tree forts, we still had forested areas in the city. It's still a beautiful city where we live. We're on one of the biggest lakes in Ontario, is it?
Yeah.
I can see it from here actually. It's covered in ice and there's fishing huts on it, but it's late February now, so the thaw is coming and everybody will be getting their huts off the lake soon.
It's getting a bit dicey out there.
Dicey, as they say. No, I don't walk on frozen lakes. I just won't do it. I don't mind looking at them, but that's anyway, see how thick that got?
One of the best things about the 70s was there was no nag philosophy where, you know, you nag your parents to get your iPhones.
We asked for nothing.
You got what you given, you were grateful.
We asked for nothing. And we were thankful for the smallest little things. Like I remember getting a slinky.
What's one of them?
You don't know what a slinky is?
No.
It's like a wire thing that crawls down the stairs. It looks like a spring.
Yeah, no, we didn't call it. No, for a minute then I thought slinky. Well, slinky in the UK means someone who's mooching about.
Oh, no, no, no. What did you call a slinky in the UK?
I can't remember now, but I know what you mean.
Yeah,
like
I mean,
worms that went down the step.
Yeah, but they were just wire, like wrapped wire, like a spring.
I know, you thought it was magic.
We were so grateful for like the simplest things, or like a yo-yo.
One last thing before we talk about this lovely
soap.
Muddle of pud. Oh, puddle of mud. Colours.
Muddle of puddle.
I forgot now. Damn my brain. I was going to say something about this. Oh yes. Everybody remembers them space hoppers when we used to bounce all around the neighbourhood.
What, space hoppers?
You sat on them and you bounced them like a big balloon.
Oh yeah, we must have looked some kind of crazy back then.
And we loved them.
Yeah. Wait, no, we stood on ours. They were called what were they called now? You stand on them and pogo sticks.
Not them, no, the big round balls you sat on. You
the balls.
Down.
Yeah, isn't that crazy?
Crazy.
Yeah, we had lots of fun in the 70s, didn't we?
And I like the way this soap's been done in 2 angles.
Yeah, except I didn't get the angle right. The bucket's in the way.
Yeah, I have to mark where I filmed it last time, so you know. But I think that works well.
You know.
And it's looking very like a
Halloween candy
cake at the minute.
My audience is used to me doing stupid things, so they'll forgive me for it. But here's where I sadly didn't get to do the top the way I wanted to because it got so thick. I wanted to pour a fluid layer of black on the top, and that's just not going to happen, folks. Sorry, not going to happen. And I don't use my shovel in this one. Your favorite shovel.
Another technique coming up.
See, look how thick that black is. Not very fluid. What's the opposite of fluid? Dense? Not
turgid. Stiff.
Turgid?
Yeah,
I learn a new word from you every day. Turgid.
Turgidity.
Sounds like you're saying turd, but you're saying turgid.
Turgid might be dour. Yeah, no, actually, I think it's just stiff and it firm.
Turgid?
The opposite of fluid.
You're like a walking no, not encyclopedia, dictionary.
Yeah, I try to be, but... And here we go.
You have some funny words in the UK.
And sometimes they actually, get the words mixed up.
You say them backwards, it's funny.
Instead of saying hairdryer, I say, where's the hairdryer?
Yeah, or dryer hire.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, you do that a lot. It's funny though, it's cute. Nobody will mind, and if they do, I'll beat them up for you.
Yeah, that's what it is. When you love somebody, you stand by them all the time.
That's what I'm going to do.
Oh, look at this now. Finishing touches.
Interesting color. I can't name it. It's supposed to be copper. Does it look like copper? Looks a little, looks like burnt orange. Burnt orange.
And here it is. This
right.
is known as the shepherd's pie method.
Oh, yeah.
It reminds you of your nana or your mum's shepherd's pie.
Except you wouldn't eat a shepherd's pie that looked like that, would you?
No, it'd be sadly a bit burnt and overdone.
I think so.
Well, this is a flat soap, so there's a reason why.
Shepherd's pie with sharp cheddar cheese on top is how we do it here.
Yeah, we do that in the UK as well, and it's really nice.
Now I want shepherd's pie. We always get to food, don't we?
Yeah, well, this is it when you're making things like this. You've got the fragrances, the textures, it just reminds you of anything nice.
Can you imagine if this microphone wasn't working again?
Oh, we just lie down on the floor.
Yeah, start laughing hysterically and call a doctor because...
Yeah. Doctor, I can't seem to get the microphone working.
We have lost our faculties. We are losing our faculties over this microphone dilemma. This is microphone number 3.
Yeah, the shimmer.
Gold shimmer mica. There's our stones.
Aren't they pretty? Them that's tiger's eyes, and make a perfect one-drop necklace for a man. You look very
or just put it in
town macho man wearing that.
Just put it in your collection of stones if you collect stones. And you know what I didn't show here because I thought the soap didn't look quite right to me. I put gold mica flakes on top, so you'll see that in a minute. It's almost the next day. Would you look at that?
It looks metallic.
Going to sleep now. Time to wake up. Here we go. Cutting soap. See how muted the colors are? Yes. Not really saturated. I don't know if muted's the right word, but whatever.
What them pastel colours it looks remind me of Edward Munch.
Edward Munch.
Paintings. See the gold mica flakes I put on there? I think that just looks a little bit better. Yeah, that's a bit of a finishing touch. But I'm going to save you a bar of this one. It smells so good. And I'm going to have a shower with it. Well, what else would you do with it? Well, you could eat it before you get in the shower. I could wash your feet, but,
I don't think if you were in school when you were younger, your dad said, I'm gonna wash your mouth out with some soap. You'd say, yes, please, Dad, yes, please.
We actually did eat soap when we were little. I mean, when my dad said, I'm going to put soap in your mouth for saying a swear word, he put soap in our mouths. Oh, and then you add water because you think it's going to help, and all it does is increase the bubbles.
You sound like Octoman out of Captain Scarlet.
And then
you put soap in my mouth?
Yeah, and there's bubbles coming out of your mouth. Thank you so much for watching this video. Watch for another one coming next Saturday, every Saturday.
Which is soon.
We might start doing resin making Wednesdays. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.
Yeah, resin's
we do make
thing to do. It's good.
Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, like the video, unlike the video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next.
One last thing, people. Stay safe out there. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.